Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can let people contact you using your WhatsApp username. So with WhatsApp username, people can start a conversation with you using your username instead of your phone number. This makes it easier to connect while keeping your mobile number more private. If this feature is available for your account and you have already created your WhatsApp username, other people can use that username to find and contact you without needing your mobile number. If you want to use this feature, here's what you need to do. First, open WhatsApp and then switch to U tab. Here, click on the pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen and now select the username option. And if you haven't created your username yet, tap on create username and then choose an available username and save it. If you don't have an idea how to create it, I'll also attach a video in the description that will let you know how to create a WhatsApp username. So make sure to watch that. And once your username has been created, you can simply share it with anyone you want to chat with. People who receive your username can search it on WhatsApp and start a conversation. WhatsApp also provide a username privacy setting for your account that who can contact you using your WhatsApp username. If you click on this option, you can choose between anyone or people who know my key. So basically, if you choose people who know my key option, then WhatsApp gives you a unique 4-digit key. So along with your username, you also have to give that unique key to the person you want to chat with using your WhatsApp username. So that's it. This is how this feature works. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.